Welcome to the coding world. If you're just starting your coding journey in 2025, this video is for you. Today, we'll explore the top 5 coding tips every beginner should know, practical, simple, and guaranteed to make your learning smoother. So, let's dive in. The first step is simple: start with the basics. Don't rush into advanced frameworks or tools. Focus on the building blocks of programming: variables, loops, functions, and conditionals. These fundamentals will help you in every language, whether it's Python, Java, or C++. Tip number 2: build small projects. Theory is important, but projects are where real learning happens. Start with a calculator, a to-do list app, or even a small game like tic-tac-toe. Every project you complete makes you more confident and improves your problem-solving skills. Tip 3: practice daily. Consistency is the secret to mastering coding. Even 30 minutes a day is far more effective than spending 5 hours once a week. Think of coding like exercising a muscle: the more often you practice, the stronger you'll get. Tip 4: use online resources wisely. Don't waste time trying to memorize everything. Google, tutorials, and coding platforms like W3 Schools, Geeks for Geeks, and LeetCode are your best friends. The smartest coders are not the ones who know it all, they're the ones who know where to find solutions. Finally, tip 5: join a coding community. Whether it's Discord groups, Reddit forums, or Stack Overflow, connecting with other learners and developers is the fastest way to grow. You'll get feedback, motivation, and solutions to problems you didn't even know you had. Let's quickly recap the 5 tips. Start with the basics. Build small projects. Practice daily. Use online resources. Join a coding community. Follow these steps, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your coding skills grow in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to the Coding World for more coding tips, tutorials, and projects.